Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing a review on Suicide Squad and Birds of Prey. Here's Suicide Squad. This came in 2016, it's 15. There's a side. There's the other side, there's a back. It's on for 108 minutes. And it's 50 contains sustained threat, moderate violence, 21st to 15 years old, not specified 21st for the age. And there's a disc. Here's Birds of Prey. This came in 2020. It's 15. There's a side. There's the other side. There's a back. It's on for 104 minutes. It's 50 contains strong violence, injury, detailed language, sexual threat. C21 so 15 years. No notified 31st for the age. Yes, leaflet. There's a back. And there's a disc. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video and goodbye.